Lucy, I'm over here. Come on, get in the car. We need to get out of here quickly. It's almost peak time.
Hello, Dad.
Is everything alright? Why do you look so sad? Something was wrong at school?
No, Daddy. I'm not feeling very well. Just that.
Really? You were still okay when you left the house this morning. Hey, wait a second. I need to pass the truck in front of us first.
Yeah.
Alright, now tell me what made you uncomfortable.
I have got a toothache in the afternoon. It was so painful that I could not eat anything.
Oh no, I knew it. I think that you have a cavity in your teeth.
No, I do not.
You certainly do. You ate a lot of sweet. And you also forgot to brush your teeth afterwards, didn't you?
Just some time.
Did you use the dental floss after lunch today?
No. I told you I didn't eat anything. So I did not need the dental floss either.
How about yesterday? Did you use it yesterday?
No. I was late to school, so I forgot it at home.
How about many other days before that?
Dad, please stop. I will be okay. You don't have to worry about me.
It would not be okay. I will try you to dentist.
No, I don't want to go there. Please, I am so scared.
It would be better if you listen to me. Now I don't have any choice. We must go there.
I'm not feeling pain anymore.
No, you are not. Look at yourself in the mirror. Your face looks swollen. Be honest to Daddy, Lucy, unless I am unable to assist you.
Can we go home first?
Okay, sooner or later you have to face your fear. Open your mouth, Lucy. Let me check your teeth. Oh no, one of your teeth almost fell up. Why didn't you tell me?
It's okay. I can take care of it.
I will make an appointment with the dentist. We need a checkup.
All I need is some medicine.
There is no medicine for you at home. Don't worry, you will be better soon.
Hello, I am Maria from Toronto Dentist Office. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to make an appointment with the dentist tomorrow. What time is available?
What's wrong with your teeth, sir?
Oh, not mine. It's my daughter's. She had a toothache and it turned out really bad. But she was too scared to go today. So we will wait until tomorrow.
Tomorrow is the weekend. I am afraid that we cannot arrange an appointment for you. How about on Monday?
No, Monday is too far. We could not wait that long.
One of our patients just canceled his schedule a few minutes ago. Would you want me to add you in?
What is the time?
2 more hours, sir.
Okay, I will convince my daughter.
Sir, may I have your full name?
William Smith. My phone number is 0245368.
How about your daughter's name?
She's Lucy. She's 8 years old.
Okay. See you later, Mr. Smith.
Thanks for your help. See you around.
Can I drink some soda, Daddy? I feel thirsty a little bit.
No, Lucy. Drink the mineral water, please. The sugar in the soda is extremely bad for your teeth. You don't want to make the situation worse, do you?
Okay. When will we go to the dentist?
In 2 more hours.
What? I thought we would go by tomorrow.
Don't be nervous. It is just a small checkup. I promise it won't hurt. By the way, the dentist's office is really cute. You will love it.
I don't know if I want to notice how lovely the office is. I have a butterfly in my stomach right now.
It's not a big deal. Just think about how brave you were when you helped a guy get off the tree last week. My girl is tough. There's nothing that can freak you out, babe.
Okay. Thanks, Dad. I feel much better.
Good. Go pack your things. You can bring your favorite teddy bear. We must go now. The clinic is quite far from our house, and I don't want to be late.
Yes, Dad. Please wait for me.
Good afternoon. I'm William Smith, and this is my daughter Lucy.
Welcome to the Toronto dentist office, Mr. Smith. Hello, little girl. It's nice to see you. Hello, miss. You have made an appointment with the dentist in 10 more minutes. Please sit in the chair. I will inform the dentist and let you know when he is ready.
Okay, thanks.
The dentist said that you could come inside. Please follow me.
Hi there. Let's see who is the lucky girl. Welcome to my office. I'm Dr. Ken.
I'm not a lucky girl. I feel pain in my teeth, doctor. That's why I'm here.
Wow, what a smart girl. Haha. It is my pleasure to take care of your teeth. Please lie down on this bed and open your mouth widely. Imagine that you are eating the biggest candy in the world.
What? It's so funny.
Oh, I'm afraid that you have a decaying tooth. Lucy, do you frequently consume candies, cookie, or fruit juice?
Yes, I do. They're just so tasty, I could not help myself.
Alright, I need to get it through, to take the bad stuff out of your cavity. Is it not painful at all? You will not feel anything thanks to this magical drug. So just relax and think about all the food that you like to eat.
Okay, please don't make me hurt.
You can certainly put your trust in me. I am very reliable. Do you see a photo of the kids outside? They felt scared at first, but then everything was great. I promise that you will feel the same way.
I hope so, doctor.
Okay, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, boom! We done! How do you feel now, Lucy?
You were right. I don't feel anything. I guess I was just overthinking it. Thank you for helping me.
That's good, but I must tell you some bad news.
What is that?
You are not allowed to eat any sweet or drink any kind of drinks with too much sugar, or your teeth will turn out really badly. At that time, I'm afraid that the truth will not be easy like this.
Got it, doctor. Can I go home now?
Sure. Goodbye, Lucy. Oh, my little girl, I told you the office is adorable, right?
Yes, and the dentist is humorous too. He made me laugh, so I did not feel scared anymore.
Good. Let's go home, Lucy. Oh, do you want to drop by the grocery store to buy something? We have eggs and milk.
Yeah, and not a sweet, huh?